Guess who's back? Back again. Flash Checker's back. Tell a friend. But I don't have any friends. Hello everybody and welcome. And this is Flash Ecker, and today I will be playing, well, The Amazing Spider-Man 2 for the Wii U. And this will be, I guess, the Vigilante for your own. So let me just change straight into Vigilante. Okay. Yep, and let's head downstairs. I just want to go through the door. I like to. Yes, when we get out, we will be at a train station, the Metro. We won't be able to go in. I'll show you. But excuse me. Excuse me. Just by this game loading, it's taking up half of the video. There we go. See? Okay, see how I'm at the Metro? Yeah. You see this train? But I can't go there. Web swinging time! Yeah! Boom, chicka boom, 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 chicka boom, 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 boom. Oh. I don't know why. It's extremely fun to do this. It was back. Wait. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. What's trying to kill me now? I know that it's a turret, but where? Found it. Yeah, Spider-Man epic style. No, I suck. It doesn't harm me. Ow! That does. I just need a heal. Okay. No, this may be hurting me, but it's worth every single penny. I know what I just said. Ow. I see you. Whoa, turret. I think I should have done gameplay for this. Nah, this is taking I actually need to end this video soon. Don't have it past 5 minutes.
Almost heavily residential. Gotta keep an eye on it. Keep the people safe.
Benji. like to say this, but I have no choice. That is all for this time, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like or subscribe. Goodbye, and I will make another video soon. See ya!